Alright, to society, what's going on? Alright, so today we're gonna be washing the car, man. We're gonna have to wash this bad boy out. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna have to wash this bad boy out, you hear me? We're gonna have to do the thing. Oh snap, I'm getting a phone call. Hello? Alright, I'm making a video, wash the car real quick. You hear me?
Yeah.
Hey, you sound crazy.
I'll call you back when you do.
Alright, I got you. Alright. Now back to what I was saying, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We about to get this joint clean, you know what I'm saying? So look at the inside of this joint bad boy right here. Like, oh man, there's a lot of stuff you're gonna have to get out of here. There's only one way to really get that out. It's with the leaf blower. You know what I'm saying? With the leaf blower. We're gonna blow that bad boy out. So we're gonna get the leaf blower. We're gonna need some extensions, you know what I'm saying? There's one extension cord right here. There's another one over here. You know what I'm saying? All the cleaning materials over there and all that good stuff, you know what I'm saying? What the power washer at? Oh, it's right there. You know what I'm saying? That's a list of things that we need to get. But let's get it going, you know what I'm saying? It's time to get, man, let me stop talking so we can get busy. You know what I'm saying? Remember, car has no brakes, so we gotta move this out the way. My young boy gonna wanna ride. I don't know what he gonna wanna do. But, oh, need to get the keys. The door. We ain't going nowhere until this joint, until we steer this joint. Alright, look, can't start it, but we sure can turn it. Alright, so make sure the wheels are straight. Straighten up so I can pull it. Alright, bet. Let's get this joint going, B. Hey. Slow down. Slow down. I'm gonna have to turn you. Alright, come on. Come to Papa. Come on, girl. Oh, you moved a little too fast for me. Oh, damn. Oh, I forgot the damn. Damn, that wasn't smart. Alright. That wasn't smart. Oh, damn. Gotta get the damn wheel. I got nothing to stop it. That wasn't smart. Oh, damn. Gotta get the damn wheel. I got nothing to stop it. Alright, bet. There we go. Alright, cool. Close the door. Alright, cool. I like this. We can get this going, baby. You know what I'm saying? We got enough time till the sun go down. I like this. That's how we giving it up. Sun's still out. Beautiful day outside. Let's get it going. I like this. Alright, let me get all the stuff. I'll get back with y'all. Alright, bet. So we got that out the way. Oh damn, where my screws at? For the hood latch. Is it on the hood? Did I put that on the hood? Oh yeah, I cut my brake lines. I should never did that. That was dumb. I gotta get new ones. That's all good though. I'm bleeding. Sucker. You's a sucker. Damn, that hurt. Oh well, I'll be alright. But oh, here's two of them right here. What other two are? That damn hood latches. Hood screws. Them right here. Nope, the other two's not there. Oh, it'll be alright. I ain't tripping about it. We need to get started washing. That's what we need to do. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh, hold on now. Show you wildin', B. You was dead bugging right now, son. All right. Let's try this again. There we go. That's how we like it. Sealed, baby. No leaks. Stop playing with me, son. All right, let's get this joint going. All right. Oh. Oh. Gotta go under. Under. Alright. Alright, so we're gonna wet it first. Alright, let's get this joint going, man. This joint need to get washed.
Look, my nigga, this is dedication. This is anti-hesitation. This a real nigga celebration. It's a dime block declaration. 59th and 5th Ave, granny house with vanilla wafers. It's the remedy to separation. Tupac of my generation.
Alright, bet. So this what we about to do. This is what we're about to do right now. Alright, so we got the whole setup. Real quick. Look at these. Alright, so hold on. Alright. UPS. Alright, so got my suds. Put on the attachment of the gun. Hyper tough. I'm gonna need a new one. Don't mind the brand of the damn bucket. There's no, you got the, you know what I'm saying, warm water bubbles, you know what I'm saying? Got it hooked up to the hose over there, bing, bang, bang. This the generator, the little electric generator. Got this electric cord hooked up to the house and all that good stuff. So we're gonna knock out all this cruddy stuff in there. I don't know if y'all can see it. I don't even see a leaf right there. I don't know. I can see it. If y'all can see, y'all can see. If I can't, then I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
I spent my whole life thinking out the box. Boxing homies 3-on-1, got DP, but I ain't dropped. Chirp on me, here I come. Spin around the block, they blurked on me. Said I ran a stop sign, but that's a lie. I spent my whole life staring at the stage playing.
Alright, so yeah, see me. Right now, the rest I'm gonna do, I'm gonna time lapse again for the final wash. So cover the whole car again. I might scrape up the engine bay a little bit, scrub it down, most likely. I'm gonna foam the whole car again, wash the outside of the car.
Clips about flourishing from the streets to black businesses. Level 4, y'all living, giving to false imprisonment. Listen close, my nigga, it's bigger than deuces and foes, my nigga. Since elementary, we close, my nigga, you're straight like that. I give you the game, go back to the turf and give it right back. For generations, we've been dealt bad hands with bad plans. Prove your dedication by hopping out Grand Ams. I'm at the premiere, politicking with Top Nip and Snoop. Damn, Pac watching the way we grew from dedication.
If it ain't congratulate, then it look like hate. If it ain't congratulate, then it look like what Nip say.
Hold up.
Look, this ain't entertainment. It's 4 niggas on a slave ship. These songs just the spirituals I swam against them waves with. Ended up on shore to their amazement. Now I hope the example I set's not contagious. Lock us behind gates but can't tame us. Used to be stay safe, now stay dangerous. Cause ain't no point in playing defense, nigga. That's why I dove off the deep end, nigga, without a life jacket. Couple mil, tour the world, all my life cracking. Cooked the
Alright, the car looked way better than it initially did when I first brought it out. Oh damn, I should have really wiped the trunk and stuff, but it is what it is. I can get it down with a towel or whatever. So yeah, I did good. It was easy. No, that's too much. Frankie. Alright. That works. Alright. She is in. Woo. Twisted Society. Out, baby.
What is up?
Twisted Society. There she is. You. There she is, man. Whole new 240, man. Oh, man. It's time to get started. Well, first things first. I need to put on a jacket. Matter of fact, sweater right there. Put on the sweater. Put my phone right here. It's a little chilly out here. So basically today, I literally just got the car today. So, we're gonna do a little spring cleaning today. That's the plan. You know what I'm saying? That is the plan. So, most likely I'm gonna mount you somewhere. And most likely I'm gonna mount y'all somewhere so we can get this fast travel on. I said fast travel. Alright. So, I gotta really clean it thoroughly, but that's how it is right now. Like I said, clean it thoroughly. When I get there, I'll get there.
Chelsea, we got one.
Okay, so this was the stuff that was in the car. All this shit. All the seats. All the panels and seats. Back seat, front seat, passenger seat. Headliner. All this stuff was in the car. Trunk. I'm about to vacuum all this stuff out. So clean that up. Trunk pretty clean. We gotta worry about that. But I'm gonna go up in there and clean up the whole damn car. That's how the inside looking. Some stuff to clean up. So rip off the damn carpet off the floor. Taking that out. Probably take off the dash also, something like that. But it's just a cleaning process. Y'all not gonna really see the inside of the damn car. Matter of fact, yeah, I think there we go. So, see, it was had caught on fire, but that's light work. I can take care of that. But we can take care of all that, champ. Easy peasy. But take off everything, clean it up.